So hello guys, this is my channel Tech and Review TV and I am back with another video. So as you can see that here we have warning. So let's open it. Specification of this speaker: it has a power output of 5 watt and the weight of this speaker is 185 gram and it has an inbuilt battery of 1200 mAh at 3.7 voltage and the playback time of this speaker is 8 hours. So let's open this speaker. Very nice packing and we have our speaker here, and so let's see what other things we can get inside. Button, power on power off button. You can also use it as a play or pause button, and this is our volume up volume down button. You can also use this to change your track, and this is our mode button which is used to select between different modes. And on this side we have our SD card and a mic, and on this side we have our USB and a LED. So let's power on this thing. So I have my phone here, so let's pair with this. As you can see, this speaker is a very compact size and it is very comfortable to hold in your hand. It has a metal grill on it, and these sides are of aluminium and it has a matte finish on it, and these bands look pretty nice, and the bass quality of this speaker is pretty nice and it has very crispy and very clear sound. And if you like my video, like, share and subscribe.